Angithatha leli thuba nginibingelele bafowethu emakhaya. Kuphi nakuphi la nikhona neNingizimu Afrika nangaphandle. Igama lami ngoHlula Umthakathi bafowethu ngwakamhloli. Kanti uhlelo oluthamele njengamanje libizwa ngokuthi isintu ngesayensi. Okuyila khona esisuke sibhekisisa kabanzi ngemvelaphi yomuntu kanye nomlando walempilo esiyiphilayo. Ngokusebenzisa ulwazi lwe-cosmology phecelezi i-space science. Iy'nkulumo zami bafethu zigxile kakhulu kwi-metaphysics ngokulekelelwa noma ngokuholwa ulwazi lwe-quantum science. Inhloso enkulu yokwenza lento engiyenzayo bafowethu ngiyaye ngihlezi ngisho ngithi ukwambula izinqa zento esiyibiza nge-physical matrix. Okuwukuthi leyo nto leyo ilawulwa ngama-fallen angels afana no-Anu Elohim, afana no-Seraphim Reptilian, o-Seraphim Draconian namanye-ke amaningi angama-hybrids afola ngaphansi kwama-fallen angels. But lawa engikubalela wona ilawa angama-forefathers of being fallen angels. The rest are just hybrid hybrid races of the fallen angels. Okufana nama-Anunnaki nabo o-Illuminati njalo njalo. Yabona. So lama fallen entities bafowethu asebenzisana nalabo hulumeni laba esithi basiphethe bala emhlabeni. Uyabona? Kungesibona bodwa-ke kukhona some other secret societies that belongs to the Illuminati family lines okuyibona responsible for onke ama-agendas wala emhlabeni. Kanye-ke nokuregulate lento esiyibiza nge-matrix lena thina esiphila ngaphansi kwayo. Inhloso enkulu ye-matrix bafowethu ukuthi thina njengomantshingelane namaphoyisa abekiwe kule ndawo lesiphila kuyo esithi u-Earth umhlaba. Sibekiwe singamaphoyisa. So inhloso-ke yama-fallen angels ne-matrix ukuthi thina njengabantu ababekiwe ukuthi bagade le ndawo singavuki. Ngoba silalisiwe phela basilalisile nge-matrix. So inhloso ye-matrix ilokho ukuthi thina singavuki. Singabi nalo ulwazi, singazazi ukuthi singobani, sikuphi, sizeleni, futhi kumele senzeni ngoba sesila. Yabona? Therefore, there's a certain type of lifestyle abayidesignile for thina ukuthi at least asiphile lo mpilo, not the actual purpose yokuthi sibe la, of becoming guardian angelic human beings. Uyabona? Hence-ke sine-matrix bafethu. Bayibekele lokhu ukuthi singazazi thina ukuthi singobani sivelaphi futhi kungani. Ngoba uma singake sikwazi lokho, sizothatha ama-responsibilities wethu, senze ekumele sikwenze noma senze lokhu esakuzela la emhlabeni. And lokhu esakuzela la emhlabeni kuhlangene nokuthi sivale yonke lento eyenziwa ama-fallen angels emhlabeni. So you can understand why esifaka ngaphansi kwencindezi ye-matrix nanokuthi engafuni ukuthi sivuke, because they have formulated themselves an organization and a lot of businesses, of which those businesses, they thrive through us. They are spiritual businesses. And if we wake up to know the truth as to why we are here, this means that they are going to lose their business. So let's look at it from their perspective. It's important for them to put us under this matrix system so that we don't wake up to remember ourselves. Because if we wake up to remember ourselves, that means business over for them, according to their perspectives. Yabona? Because sizele lana lokho thina ukuza la emhlabeni. Thina we are actually Christic guardian angelics. We are Christos races, like literal Christos races, team. The 12-stranded potential human beings. Just like Yeshua was here to remind us of that. And they don't want all of that. Because mangake kwenzeke sizobahila. And ayikho into abayizonda njenge-healing. Wena wabona iphara lizonda amanzi. Awungayitholi example right. Uzowabona ukuthi iphara liwafuna amanzi. Likhala ngisho ukukhala. Lithi lincamela ukuthi ulishaye kunokuthi ulithele ngamanzi. So it's the same thing nakuwona ama-fallen angels. Uma ebona thina, abona ibuke kanje. Uma i-fallen angel ibona wena, kuyafana nesimo sephara libona ibhakede lamanzi. Uyabona? That is why bengafuni ukuthi sivuke sizazi. Ngoba sizobe lapha. Abayifuni leyo nto. Ibhlungu i-healing asiqale lapha. Healing is a very painful process, especially for bona. Yeah, healing might be not something enzima mhlambe wena mawuyibuka ngobula kwa earth, but because of bona baleke kuma high dimensions banezono ezinkulu ngempela okuwukuthi kunzima nanokuthi bayibuke lezo zono lezo. They know ukuthi healing is going to be a painful process for bona. So instead ukuthi at least bame bathi, "Hi, let's try to get healing." They prefer ukuthi belibe beqhubeka bona up until izinto zize ziyafadalala. Yile i-aim yabo ukuthi sizobona up until izinto zize ziyaphela makumele iphele. Siyoze sifike esiphethweni sokona sibone ukuthi kuphele laphi. Bami nje lapho. So ingakho ke wena bengeke bakuvumela ukuthi uvuke uzazi ukuthi ubani uzeleni la emhlabeni ngoba ukuzazi kwakho, which means kumele kuyizinto zabo ke manje, kumele bayeke izinto zabo ke manje ke ngoba sebezofundekelwa uwe, sebezoshumayezwa uwe, lokhu uzobatshela ngehealing. Uyabona? Hey bafethu, indaba yama-fallen angels is really serious. But anyway, that is why I get the design the matrix. It's for us not to prosper or grow spiritually. Right ke bafethu, asixhume sihlale kuhle kweselesele. Ngiyazi ke ukuthi njengokwenjwayelo khona umngani wami, khona inkamalanga ibhoze emabhozeni. Yabona? Namhlanje into engizoyenza ngizozama ukuthi ngikubekele le ndaba sakuyisummarize. Ngizofike ngiyenze recap bese ngiyayisummarize ke. Uyabona inhloso enkulu leyo. Ngoba uzokhumbula ukuthi episode 5 lo ka season 2, which means isiqephu sokugcina lesi ku season 2 uyagcina ukungibona namhlanje. Uzozungibona emva kwa 2 weeks. Isikhathi okuyisona sona ozoze ungibone ngaso actually umhla ka 21 kuJanuary. Uyabona? Ngoba umhla ka 19 kube umsombuluko ngiyarecorda, umhla ka 20 kube kulwesibili ngiya-edita, bese kuba umhla ka 21 ulwesithathu ke ngiya-uploada ke. Uyabona? So since this is the last episode kule season esikuyo, ngoba sengibuya no season 3 mangabe sekuJanuary. Since this is the last episode, ngithi ke angizama ukuthi ngikufinqele kahle yonke lento le from the moment siqala up until size sifike manje. Yabona? So esikhulumile ke ngesikhulume ngakho last week, isikhuluma about the fall, ukuthi how did it happen, ukuthi sisuke ke noma basically ngisho ukuthi besikhuluma about the creation of our solar system as well as other planets akhona kwi-solar system yethu, nanokuthi sichaze ukuthi akhandeke kanjani lama planets lawo. Uyabona? Angimananga nje kwafika uJehova wawakhanda lama planets kanye no planet Earth njengoba sitsheliwe. Kwenzakala izimpi zama-fallen angels, galactic and interstellar wars that happened kuma dimensions, specifically dimension 5. Lezo zimpi ke ngenxa ukuthi zazi drastic, zaze zalidela ekuthenini ke kube khona ama-fragments we-planet aqhumayo, and some of those fragments awela kule harmonic universe eyayingezansi kwayo. okuyilethi nesesikuyo kanye nesolar system yethu yonke. Mazathi mayifika lapho zafica the solar energy zadonsa amandla esolar zayikhandela ama-planets wabo. Sikulelo point ke into that critical point ukuthi nayo ke iplanet isikhona nemvelo konke sekukhona. Now what? So what? A planet needs life inside of it. Kungena lapho ukuthi ke kusuke the guardian angelics bafike bezotshala impilo ke manje kwa earth. Uyabona ilokho ke sizokhuluma ngakho namhlanje specifically uyabona. So namhlanje sizothinta idalwa ezibiza ngama-Paladorians, sizobuka the rescue missions, leyo kuhlenga idalwa lezi ezalahleka, the lost souls of Tara. It's called the rescue mission. It's a mission to rescue those souls. Sizobheka the Cloister races, noma ungathi Cloister mawuthanda. Ngiyangithanda ukurola ke Cloister. It doesn't matter anyway. Right? Sizobuka ama-root races mangabe urola. Ebese sibuka ke ama-seedings, ukutshalwa kwey'dalwa, right? Masithi seedings, iy'dalwa ezayitshalwa lapho, ama-cloister races and root races as a rescue mission. All that done by the Paladorians. Uzothola konke today ukuthi who were the Paladorians. So, njengoba enjwayelo ke bafethu inkamalanga ngiyangifunde bese ngiyatolika ke, right? Asiqale ke. Shuthi sithi lana after the creation of our planet and others in the solar system. Usuyazi ngalamanye ama 12 planets nanokuthi nathi siyingxenye yawo, right? The guardian angelics took it upon themselves to seed life in each and every planet in this solar system. In this case, we will focus on Earth seeding, right? Ake ngiyikhele phezulu ke. Sithi lana emva kokuthi ke sekukhandekile isolar system yethu nama-planets wakhona o-12. Idalo lezi ingama-guardian angels, they took it upon themselves. Bakwenza kwaba i-responsibility yabo ukuthi batshale impilo on each and every planet kulama planets awu-12. Uyabona ukuthi this changes perspectives manje. Ngoba wena ubuwazi ukuthi kuwo wonke lama planet awu-12 u-Earth kuphela onempilo. And mina sengiqhamukela nokuthi watshala impilo on each and every planet. On each and every planet has got occupants. Yabona? Kwa Mars there was life. Kwa Pluto, kwa Venus there was life. I know ukuthi science ithini. Ithi ayikho impilo laphana. Kunama gases are dangerous. Ngeke kuphile impilo laphana. Okwamanga. Uzokubona lokho ukuthi kuhlangana kanjani nale map esiphuma manje. Khona le map esinokuphuma manje. Le nokuziveza thina ukuthi siphakathi nendawo. Sibiyelwe nge-ice wall, but maweqela ngale ku-ice wall uthola amanye ama-dimensions. Uyokuthola ke lokho ngokuhlangana kwesikhathi ukuze ubone ukuthi kwakuamanga lawo. Uyabona? And usangaphinde uthole ezinye izinto ezikuthusayo ukuthi actually Mars no Pluto no Jupiter abakude nawe njengoba ucabanga. And zonke lezi ezinye indawo eseyitholakala kule map engishoyo ungahle uthuke ngempela isimanga ukuthola ukuthi ziyahlangana nabo labo Pluto no Venus no Jupiter nabo Mars. Lezi indawo ezingale ku-ice wall. Mase senze research ejulile. But in this case asikho ke lapho. Sithi after ke sikhona ke solar system yethu nama 12 planets nakho ke sekukhona. Lezi idalwa ke took it upon themselves ukuthi kube yibona abatshala impilo. Ziphi idalwa? Ama-guardian angelics. Why specifically ama-guardian angelics? Ingoba phela the fallen angels they no longer have the Christic template. Isdalwa that can create another life is Isdalwa that is still connected to the Christos frequencies. And in this case, the fallen angelics, they no longer have that encryption, so they can't create life. They can only destroy it. Engakhandwanga ibona. So the guardian angelics basebethi, right, isikhona leso solar system now nalama planet asiphuthume khona ke siyotshala impilo. Kushuthi impilo kwi-planet neplanet kwatshalwa impilo. But in this case, Tina, we are only concerned ngo-dimension 3 yoku-Earth okuyila esikhona. Why should we talk about Mars and Jupiter and all of that? Sikwa-Earth thina. But just know ukuthi on each and every one of those planets, life was seeded. Uyabona? Right there, asiqhubeke. But before we dive deep, let us first understand the characters of this history. Before nje singene sijule kuyo yonke lento lekaThara, ake understand ama-characters. Uyabona? Ayo yonke lento yakaThara. Right? U-character number 1 engifuna ukumcacisa ngamveza kade ngilokhu ngimveza but manje ngisengifuna ukubekela yena ngononini uzokuze uzoma-understand ukuthi udlala yiphi indima kuyo yonke lento kaThara. Right? Lapha sine administrative guardian entities. Uyabona? Kushuthi ama-guardian angels lawo adlala indima yani yokuba ngo-administrator. They are the administrative guardian entities. Okusho ukuthi ibona abangomengameli, ibona banakekela ngokungaphezulu. Uyabona? Zonke izinto ezenzeka kwaThara. Right? Lama entities as a collective bendawonye, they are called the Melchizedek Cloister Iani Master Council. Ngike ngakhuluma ngabo, I think beku episode 2 or episode 1. Ngize ngikhuluma about the Maharaji, right? The race line called Maharaji ngabachazi, right? So kuthiwa ke le Master Council lena, Iani Master Council, Melchizedek Cloister Iani Master Council, it operates as an administrative guardian entities. Yabona bayisigungu. Basically, imbumba yabo kuhlangana kwabo, they are the governing council of guardian angels. Yabona? Bayisigungu sokwengamela seyingelosi ezingcwele, hayi lezi ezifallen. Kushuthi ingxubevane yisigungu sama guardian angels ahlangene ngenhloso yokwengamela u-dimension 5. Uyabona? Ba responsible ke for ukuvikela ama lower dimensions. Wonke ama dimensions angaphansi kuko dimension 6 ngoba bona babekwe kwa dimension 6 kwa Sirius B, in the Sirius B star system. Babekwe lapho ku dimension 6. And uyabona ukuthi mabe ku dimension 6 kushuthi uThara next door wabo. Uyabona? Because nangu dimension 6, nangu dimension 5 okuThara, next door wabo. Uyabona? So babekwe lapho ke. Right? So kusho ukuthi nje onke ama issues abandakanya u dimension 1 to 5 and 6. Onke lo ma issues abikwa kuyona le council, iMelchizedek Cloister Iani Master Council, ngoba ibona umengameli, right? So amalunga ale organization abizwa ngokuthi iMaharaji, njengoba ngakuchazela naqala. Bebonke ke they are called the Maharaji race line, right? iMaharaji ke is a race of beings whose genetic makeup is of, sesichaza ke iMaharaji manje as a race ukuthi ulibofuzo lwabo luyingxubevane yaziphi idalwa. Uyabona? So ulibofuzo lwabo luyingxubevane yezidalwa ezifana nokukhanya. Angithi uyazi ngolizwi nokukhanya. Laba baleqa leni siyabakhipha ko olizwi. Okukhanya ulibofuzo lwabo lukhona la kwiMaharaji, kwi-Iani Master Council, right? Okwesibili ama-Christos races, specifically the Guardian Christos. Uyabona? Christos creator races. Eyesithathu i-race ekhona, it's the Azurite. Uzoyikhumbula i-Azurite from the higher dimensions, right? Enye ke eyokugcina i-Oraphim, uswaka ungizwa futhi nayo ngikhuluma ngayo i-Oraphim, yabona? So lolu libofuzo lo 4 luyabeke selukhipha ulibofuzo lwale race line esithi Maharaj. Bese lamalunga lawa oMaharaj ibona-ke abawomengameli bahlala lapha kwa-Dimension 6. Ingakho noYeshua wathi meza la emhlabeni wafika wasuka le from okukhanya wehla ngamaChristos wehla ngo-Dimension 9 njalo njalo waze wafika la kwa-6. Mefika la kwa-6 wathatha umzimba weMaharaji ngoba iMaharaji inama-DNA strands awu-12 le race le. So uJesu needed that, or Yeshua needed that type of a body in order to incarnate on earth and fully become lento ayecelwe noma ayezi asayine yena ukuthi ezoba yiyona. Uyabona? Right. Le council lena ke yona ke ithatha ama orders wayo noma nayo iyalawulwa. There's a higher order behind noma ngaphezu kwale council lena na iphethwe, right? So yona ke is taking orders from the higher security organizations afana no Interdimensional Association of Free Worlds. Angithi usakhumbula ngaleyo security organization, Universal Security Organization, Interdimensional Association of Free Worlds. Eyesibili kwaba ngu-Azurite Universal Stargate Protection Team, yona ke singayibiza ngo-AUSPT ngoba u-Interdimensional Association of Free Worlds yena simbiza ngo-IAFW. So kushuthi Azurite Universal Stargate Protection Team yona singayibiza ama-abbreviations lawo. Singathi u-AUSPT. Bese kuzoba i-Guardian Alliance. Kusho ukuthi sisho ukuthi kahle kahle le council le ela kwa-Dimension 6 iyisenabelo. I-extension yala amanye ama-Universal Security Protection Organizations avela le phezulu. Lawo esike sakhuluma ngawo before size sifike la. So kusho ukuthi le council le i-Iyani Master Council is taking orders from those organizations. Isasebenza nawo. Seyinto eyodwa. Yabona? So this council is part of the Guardian Alliance of Dimension 6. Angithi ke mangabe sibala lama security organization or Interdimensional Association of Free Worlds no Azurite njalo njalo. U-Guardian Alliance uyavela. Ngaze ngathi kuwe i-Guardian Alliance yona ihlukene ngawu-12. Ngoba kumele ukuthi i-Guardian team noma ilokhungana i-Guardian Council ngayodwa beyi-assign to each and every dimension. For an example, Dimension 1 uzoba ne-Guardian Alliance yakhona. Dimension 2 i-Guardian Alliance yakhona. Dimension 3 njalo 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 njalo. So therefore, kusho ukuthi ama-Guardian Alliances esewonke awu-12. There is a specific Guardian Alliance in each and every dimension. Yabona? So i-Melchizedek Cloister Iyani Master Council is part of the Guardian Alliance. Yabona? So kusho ukuthi fike kube khona uprincipal oyi-Interdimensional Association of Free Worlds, kube khona u-Azurite ngaphansi kwakhe, kube khona u-Oraphim ehle lama-Administrative Council. Bese kuze kufikwa singene ko-Guardian Alliance lo abamcana yonke ilokhunga onke ama-dimensions. Bese kuthi ngaphansi kwe-Guardian Alliance specifically le ekwa-Dimension 6 bese sithola ke the Iyani Master Council. It's a small consolidated authority power noma authority organization of the main Guardian Alliance of Dimensions 6. Yabona ke. So sithi ke so this council is part of the Guardian Alliance of Dimension 6, right? And it is the highest council of all lower dimensions. Sithi ke le council njengoba ila kwa Dimension 6, it is considered as the higher council or the highest council of wonke lama dimensions angezansi. Kusho ukuthi izinto ezenzeka ku dimensions 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 asikho isidingo sokuthi zithathwe kuthiwe ziyobikwa le kwalokhungana kwa le dimension le phezulu kwa dimension 12. Uyabona ngani? Ngoba zonke lezo zinto izovele ithathwe zizobikwa la kwa dimension 6. Kusho ukuthi lama authority figures alaphana ku dimensions 12 no 13 and 14 and 15, they were able to consolidate and extend themselves into dimension 6. Lawo ma authority figures. yabona. So asekho-ke isidingo sokuthi kuyiwe le kwa-dimensions 12 njalo njalo nakulamanye ama-dimensions angaphezulu. Konke okwenzakala kuma-lower heavens or lower dimensions ngavele kuthathwe kuyothiwa khahla laphana kwa-dimension 6, uyabona-ke. So this council is the one that devised a plan to create the Turanisium race as protectors of the 5th dimension, its stargates and portals, together with the planetary core. Right? So, kuthiwa-ke le council le, iMelchizedek Cloister iYani Master Council, iyona iyaqhamuka nesu lokuthi kukhandwe le race le yakwaTara. Wena usuyazi ngeTuranisium le sengixoxe kakhulu ngayo. Leyo race ikhona nje ngenxa yayo le iYani Master Council, le council esikhuluma ngayo. Yona iyaqhamuka naleyo idea ukuthi no, nalapha ko-dimension 5 asitshale uhlobo lwey'dalwa oluthile oluzokwazi ukuthi luvikele iplanethi yonke, luvikele i-stargate, luvikele ama-portals, uyabona, luvikele neplanethi njalo njalo, uyabona. Leli cebo baqhamuka nalo-ke nje lokukhanda i-Turanisium babe neyivumelwano, benza ama-agreements ukuze i-Turanisium izibe khona nje. Kwaqale kwenziwa ama-meetings, kwahlelwa kuqala, uyabona. Kuvunyelwana nezinye iy'dalwa ezinye iy'dalwa zakwi-Harmonic Universe number 3 ezayibizwa ngokuthi-ke they were the Lyrians. Uyazi spelling saka Lyrians ukuthi sibhalwa kanjani, Lyraans, uyabona. Ngokuvumelana-ke kwe-iYani Master Council nama-Lyrians, ama-Lyrians they further created a certain race line called the Elohim. Shuthi-ke ngokuvumelana kwabo ukuthi hayi cha kulungile bafowethu, siyalizwa iplane lenu and nathi siyathokoza ukuba ingxenye yalo, zizokhandwa lezi dalo enishoyo enithi i-Turanisium. Kodwa ngesimanga sokubuka ukudlondlobala kwama-digressions nama-infiltrations ama-fallen angels, siyadinga futhi ukuthi sikhande enye team noma enye security team ezoba isenabelo nayo ekutheni siqinise amabhawodi okuvikela le race le enithi ayikhandwe. So sidinga usizo lwezinye iy'dalwa, kusho ama-Lyrians esho ku-iYani Master Council. Base bekwazi ukuthi bekhande leyo race leyo eyayizofeza leyo nhloso, yona eyayibizwa ngokuthi i-Elohim, leyo race leyo, yabona. With the purpose to strengthen the protective measures of uplanet Tara, ukuvikela nje planet, uyabona. I-Turanisium race, lezi idalwa lezi, ama-stargates, ama-portals, and the planetary core. Uma ngikhuluma kanjena, akucaceleke nawe ohlezi ubuza umbuzo ukuthi sezelani la kwaMhlaba. Ngoba one thing you should know is that i-Turanisium le ngikhuluma ngayo usayithina. Exciting le Turanisium engihlezi ngikhuluma ngayo kusayithina. Thina sangasho ukuthi we are the lost souls of Tara. Njengoba ubona nje kulibe kukhulunywa ngokuthi they were the lost souls and khona rescue mission, kwaba khona ama mission yokuthi kumele ilandwe lezi ezidalwa lezi ezalahleka from uqhuma uTara. Yithi labo ingena kanjalo ke language ye-ascension kithi. Makuthiwa siya ascenda sibuyele ekhaya, sibuyela ngoba salahleka emandulo le ngenxa yazo lezo zinto. Abanye bethu sasinabo la si-stuck nabo sebakhona ukubuyela. Abaningi bethu futhi basasele ngoba libe behluleka ngalento ye-reincarnation. Sasibaningi bafethu salahlekela la. And ngesimanga sokuthi njalo make kuzanywe imizamo yokuthi kwenziwe le rescue mission, ama-fallen angels bengenelela in between. There was never a time whereby there was a smooth sail of this ascension process from point A to point B. Ibifika iqale ku point A, ihamba ithi B C, ifika istakhe ku C, phinde iqalwe phansi A B C D E F, iphinde istakhe ku F, phinde iqalwe phansi, yabo, ngenxa ukuthi khona ama-fallen angels. Sekuze kwafinyelela la kithi. Thina we are the last hope. And we are the third seeding. Kwaba khona seeding yokuqala, kwaba khona seeding yesibili, kwaba khona seeding yesithathu. Thina we are the third. Siyithemba lokugcina. And we've got, at least we have more 1,000 years to make sure ukuthi that happens. Yabona? So ingakho silezi sishumayela ukuthi wonke umuntu akavuke bafowethu. It's time for everyone to be conscious of this reality and the lifestyles that we're living. And the things that influences us. Nalezi impilo. Yabona? Kulungileke. So in general, 3 race lines were responsible for matters of Tara. Right? Sithi ke zonke indaba zakwaTara nakuzo zonke indaba zakuma lower dimensions from dimensions 1 to 5. Sithi ke only 3 races were responsible for zonke lezo indaba zakwaTara lezo. Uyabona? Ukuyibiza ngamagama nje iMelchizedek Cloister, iYani Master Council, lesithi o-admin, o-administrator. Esibili irace was the Lyrians. Esithathu irace was the Elohims. Right? They are the ones I always refer to as the admins. So kushuthi njalo mawusungizwa nje ngilokhu ngisho igama elithi o-admin, bacela o-admin, kwalalwa nabo o-admin this, o-admin that, kwahamba kwayiwa ko-admin, usungizwe kakhulu ngibala lelo gama, mhlawumbe uxakeke, kodwa nakhona ngake ngalichaza. Uyabona? O-admin yiyo ke iMelchizedek Cloister, iYani Master Council. That organization ephethe ama-dimensions 6 to 1 or 1 to 6, okuyiyona omongameli. Ubikwa kuyo zonke izinto bese yona ibikela o-interdimensional laba abaphezulu kakhulu. Uyabona? So yibo ingakho ke ngihleze ngibabiza ngo-admin ngoba ibona bengamele wonke lama lower densities. Yabona? So labo admin ke ngizohleze ngisebenzisa igama elithi o-admin. Ngingasakudidi. Mawungizwa nje ngithi o-admin noma o-administrator noma the administrative council, ngikhuluma nge-iYani Master Council. U-iYani Master Council linqamulwe phakathi. Uyalazi wena liphelele ukuthi uMelchizedek Cloister iYani Master Council, but ukuze silibize kahle sinqamula uMelchizedek Cloister siyamgodla sisebenzisa u-iYani Master Council. Yabo? Kwesinye isikhathi uzozwa ke kungena igama elithi Syrian Council. Saseyinto eyodwa. Yabona? Kulungileke. So o-adminic kuyo yonke le ndaba kaTara bafowethu. Ukuze siyi-understande kangcono. Ngithe kune-structure eziwu-3, sengichazelile nge-structure sokuqala o-admin. Yibo laba kade ngibachaza, bayi-structure sokuqala sale ndaba yakwaTara. I-structure sesibili ke, of course, yiwo ama-Turanesium. Right? Ayikuthiwa sidefine ama-character. Ngithi ngisho njalo ngiqala ngithe kumele sidefine ama-character alesi story sakwaTara. Uyabona? And ama-characters okuqala o-admin, ama-characters wesibili ilaba abantu o-admin ababekelwe ukuthi babagade, okuyi-Turanesium, idalwa lezo. Uyabona? So i-Turanesium, they are the second structure of the drama of Tara. O-admin angithi structure sokuqala, esesibili ke i-Turanesium, idalwa lezo. Right? The Turanesium was the original human of Tara. So uTuranesium lona le race was the original. Uyena umuntu obuthi uma uya kwaTara ufika ufice yena. Ibona abantu bokuqala batshalwa kwaTara. After kuyimvelo nje kwakuyiplanet nje yayivelela. Noma eyacreatewa ke nayo through i-creation physics. Le understandwa by both ama-guardians nama-fallens. They understand the creation physics. So that's why they can create planets, stars, stellars, dimensions, humanity, animals, anything that they wish to create. They have that power. Even though noba njengoba ngishilo ukuthi ama-fallen wona nkosi yami awakwazi. Ayakwazi. But uma akhanda okufana nabo, abakwazi ukuthi bona bengenayo iChristos bakhande idalwa ezineChristos. Bazokhanda idalwa ezifallen njengabo. Abantu abakwazi ukukhanda idalwa ezineChristos ama-guardian angelics. Uyabona? Lungileke. So uTuranism sithi kwakuyidalwa noma kwakuyisidalwa noma kwakuyidalwa zakwaTara. In the beginning of uTara, right? Lezi idalwa, they had 12 active DNA strands and could embody the Christos frequencies. Shuthi njoba ngisho ukuthi lezi idalwa they had ama-DNA strands awu-12. Nani seniyazi-ke ngihleze nginichazela ukuthi isidalwa esinama-DNA strands awu-12 a-active, leso sidalwa siyakwazi ukuba nama-Christos frequencies. Umzekelo uYeshua. Senzani-ke isidalwa mase sinalawo ma-12 active DNA strands? uYeshua wayenzani? uYeshua wayephikisana nayo yonke imithetho yemvelo, yonke imithetho yakaphysics, imithetho yama-forces no-gravity. Ngoba emzimbeni wakhe kwase kuphila le energy le ye-universe. Le energy elawulwa by the universal laws, not the physical laws. That's why he could transmute water to wine. That's why he could walk on water. That's why he could heal ngereiki. Yabona? Zonke lezi zinto ayikwazi ukuzenza. Ekwazi ukungena ukutravela nge-teleportation, ekwazi ukulevitate. Wena wabona i-avatar, a full avatar. Vele wayibizwa kanjalo. Wayibizwa nge-12 stranded avatar. uYeshua 12. He was an avatar. Avatar human being. Lungileke. Sisase lapho ke kuTuranism. This means that kwaTara, right? Specifically kule Turanism person, right? This means that one Turanism person could embody all 12 tribes in one body. Ngoba phela ukuze kube khona le Turanism le DNA strand, actually ama-Turanism ano 12 strands or active, kwaphoqa ukuthi kuhlangane other galactic beings from higher harmonics ayi-12 anikela ngolibofuzo lwabo, which means kulo 12 strand, i-strand ne-strand sirepresenta one race line okuyiyona eyanikela ukuze kuphume lo 12 strand. Uyabona? So kusho ukuthi-ke i-Turanism, as much as inolibofuzo olulodwa olubizwa nge-12 strand, each and every strand represent each and every race line, every metaterrestrial race line that created the Turanism DNA. Futhi bengathiwa wena uwedwa uma uno 12 strands, kusho ukuthi unama 12 tribes emzimbeni owodwa. I-Turanism yayikanjalo-ke, uyabona? Right. After the infiltration of this race by fallen angels, a portion of it began to digress to a point of separation. Uyabona? Kuthiwa-ke after sengenelele kakhulu ama-fallen angels ngama-infiltrations, i-Turanism yonke yaqala manje yaba-digressed in behavior, in thought, and in emotion. Uyabona? Ukuba digressed ukuphuma endleleni. Baphuma kiphi indlela leyo umthetho wobunye be-creation contract esithi Emerald Covenant. Lezi sivumelwano senziwa okukhanya namaKhristos ukuthi sizoyikhanda impilo ngaphansi komthetho wobunye bukaNkulunkulu. So to digress is to breach the contract, noma it's to breach imithetho ye-contract ayisayini ama-fallen angels. Uyabona? So njengoba sithi-ke i-Turanism yayinama-12 tribes, yayino-12 DNA strand, kusho ukuthi yayinama-12 tribes emzimbeni wayo iyodwa, right? And then kwathi masengenela ama-fallen angels yaqala-ke kwase kuba ne-separation-ke kwi-Turanism. Lalela, i-Turanism kwakuyisizwe esisodwa as much as sihlukaniseke into 12 DNA origins, but kwakuyisizwe esisodwa sibizwa nge-Turanism. Siqala ukuhlukana manje masengenelela izimpi zama-fallen angels nakhona ezisuka le kude. Usuyazi-ke wena ngazo sachaza, yabona? So lezo zimpi-ke azimile zahamba zaba ne-influence kuwo wonke ama-dimensions, nakwa-dimension 5 ke leyo influence iyafika ama-fallen angels, yabona. After i-separation ke ye-Turanesium, one race became the benevolent guardians and the other became the malevolent fallen entities. Shukuthi ke njengoba babe uTuranesium base behlukana phakathi, ababodwa baba benzi bokuhle bafuna ukwenza okuhle nokuvikela, ababodwa baba benzi bobubi bafuna ukudestroya, uyabona. Uhlukana umndeni owodwa njengoba kwenzeka nakuma-Christos. Ngihleze ngisho ama-Christos, they were called the Christos creator races, the Christos races. Bahlukana phakathi kwase kuvela the fallen angelics and the guardian angelics. Yabona, it's the same separation that came from higher harmonics into la sekukhona. Le polarity noma lesi structure seyingxabano noma sedrama njalo njalo, lokhu sasuka le phezulu. Nathi njengoba sila kwa earth, we are participating under the same structure. Abavikeli, ababulali. Yabona? Igebengu, abavikelayo. Ubumnyama, ukukhanya. We are still under the same structure. Uhulumeni versus abantu. Ama-elites versus abantu. I-matrix versus abantu. And within that matrix, there are guardian people abafana nami nawe. Uyabona ukuthi lento isuka kude kanjani? Ngabona. So it's the same structure nje from ukusuka le phezulu. So labe sithi ama-guardians bona ke, they were the Lumerians or Lumians mawuzokhumbula le kwaThara. Laba ke abawela ngasohlangothini lwama-guardians. Sithi ama-Lumians or ama-Lumerians. Bese kuthi laba abawela ohlangothini lwama-fallen angels, ama-Alanians. Yabona? Right. The third structure of the drama of Tara is the new race of Tara. Okay, sorry. Angithi bengisa explainer idrama yakwaThara yonke nama characters okuwukuthi masiwachaza uzosheshe uyi-understand lento yakwaThara. Yabona, ngavele ngithi okhona iplanet okuthiwa uThara, idalwa uTuranesium, ama-fallen angels. Cha, sichaza ama-structures wakhona ke. Ngiqale ngakubalela ngo-administrator. Yabona, ngase ngithi iMelchizedek Cloister iyani Master Council, ama-character okuqala lawo kuyo yonke lento yakwaThara. Ama-character esibili ama-Turanesium, idalwa lezi ezibizwa ngo-Turanesium. Ngiqeda ukuyichaza njengamanje. Sesizongena ke kuma-characters wesithathu ke manje. Uzokhumbula ukuthi all along la kwaThara libe kuphila nje i-Turanesium. Azikho ezinye idalwa. Yabo. Nalezi ezinye ezikhonayo ukufika such as ama-guardian entities nezinye ezifallen ezifana nama Templar Solar Initiates, laba abafaka kakhulu lezi imfundiso lezi zokungcola, bona babeqhamuka kwa Sirius A. Yabona, njoba ukhona uSirius B nje. Lezi imfundiso zokungcola nabo beyithatha le phezulu from ama-Christos, ama-fallen Christos la amakhulu anu Elohim, zayisuka lapho phela lezi imfundiso. Konke kusuka le phezulu njoba kade ngichaza. So ama-Templar Solar Initiates ayiletha ke le imfundiso nalaza afike za digress akhe, yabona, kwase kuhlukana phakathi. Yabona. So sithi ama-Turanesium ama-characters esibili kulento yakwaThara. Bese kuthi ama-characters esithathu futhi awokugcina ingane zama-Turanesium. Woza kuzoza ukuthi zavela kanjani, yabona. And lezi ingane ke siconsiderisha as i-third structure. Kushuthi ngizama ukusho ukuthi ukuze uyi-understand yonke lento yakwaThara. Understanda ukuthi kwakukhona admin babe yabobani ukuhlukana kwabo. Understand ukuthi kwakukhona idalwa kwakuthiwa ama-Turanesium. Understand ukuthi khona idalwa ezavela after ama-Turanesium. Mawu-understand lokho ku-3, hayi okunye kuzoba lula ukuthi uku-understand. O-administrator, abantu aba-administratwayo yingane zabantu bebe-administratwa, right? Woza-ke sikhulume nge-third structure. The third structure of the drama of Tara is the new race, or noma are the new races of Tara, being the Ceres and the Uataranates. Cishe ngizwile ngikhuluma about those race lines kwi-previous episode, naleya episode number 3 ngikhulumile ngalezi idalwa i-Ceres, right? Ngaze ngabala kakhulu amagama e-interbreeding ukuthi kwakukhona okwakumele balalwe ukuze kuklinwe ulibofuzo lwabo, yabona? So lama race ke noma lama offsprings ay structure sesithathu, okuwukuthi ukuze u-understand yonke le drama yakwaTara kumele u-understand o-admin nendima ababeyidlala, understand o-Turanizium nendima ababeyidlala, bese u-understanda lezi ingane o-Ceres no-Uataranates nendima ababeyidlala, uzoyi-understanda yonke-ke into yakwaTara ukuthi yayihamba kanjani, yabona? But asiqhubeke-ke. The Ceres yona is an offspring race of the interbreeding between the administrators and the Lumians, with the purpose to purify the Lumians from the fallen angelic genetic distortion. Angithi kathi Turanizium ihlala le kwa Eden indawonye, kwathi mangenelele ama fallen angels kwathola ukuthi babe ndawonye ngithi beyiTuranizium baze bahlukana phakathi nje ngenxa ukuthi ayisengenelile ama fallen angels elala nabo, abanye nje baconvince nje ngenkulumo nje, yabona? Beshintsheke abantu kwesinye isikhathi kukhandwa ama-hybrids, yabona? So lezi idalwa lezi ezingama-Lumians nazo zazinawo ama-distortions, ukuthi zazingama-guardians zazinawo ama-distortions, ukuthi ngoba ulibofuzo lwazo lezi idalwa lwalu-strong kancane ngoba lwakwazi ukuresista le-influence yama-fallen angels, yabona? So ingakho-ke kwathiwa mase kumele mangabe ama-Lumians esecela usizo ko-admin, bathi o-admin vulani i-organization yenu nizokwazi ukuthi ngale organization nibalekise abantu bohlobo lwenu nibase kwelinye izwe. Kwase kutholakala le continent le yayingaphesheya kolwandle kwakuthiwa uMu. In fact yiba bayetha engenagama, kwathiwa uMu. Bayivulela i-council yabo ekuthiwa i-Council of Mu, bayivulela i-priesthood yabo ekuthiwa i-priesthood of Mu, bezenzela nje zonke izinto ezinhle ezihlangene nobunye nothando lukaNkulunkulu, uyabona? Ngoba vele babefola ngaphansi kohlangothi lolu lwama-guardians vele anyway, yabona? Excuse me. So bathi mase befika ngale-na-ke kwase kutholakala ukuthi bafowethu kusho admin siyabona nikhonile ukuresista i-digression ne-infiltration yama-fallen angels kulibofuzo lwenu, but okusalayo ikhona. Ongcono-ke asilihlini ulibofuzo lwenu, yasiqhamuka lapho-ke le yokuthi balalwane bodwa-ke. Ama-Lumians alala no-admin, kwase kuphuma-ke le offspring race lena esithi i-Ceres, iy'ngane zabo, yabona? Ebese eyesibili-ke ilokhungana i-race line ile esithi Uataranates, yabona? Zwana ukuthi yona yavela kanjani. The Uataranates is an offspring race of the interbreeding between the administrators and the fallen Alanians, manje. The fallen Alanians, ne? Who backed away from the plans to enslave the Lumians, yabona? Anti sikhumbula ukuthi kwakukhona ama-Lumians nama-Alanians. Ama-Alanians ayefallen, ama-Lumians kwakwama-guardians. Kushuthi kwasuka ingxenye yama-Alanians laba ababefallen babona ukuthi bafethu lento esenza i-wrong, bahamba boyiceba ngale kwaMu. Bathe bafethu siyakhuleka sicela ukungena, yabona? Sicela ukuthi at least nisamukele ngoba ngale asenendawo sesiyibonile into abayenza abafowethu siyabona ukuthi izosilimaza sonke, so sizothi maluju sicela nibone ukuthi nenzani ngathi, but sesikulungele ukwelapheka. Kwathiwa okay kulungile siyanamukela, but niya understand ukuthi nine-digression kulibofuzo lwenu, so kuzomele siqale sikline iqala ulibofuzo lwenu. Nangempela-ke kwalalwa nabo nabo. Kwase-ke kuzophuma-ke i-Uataranates. yabo. So mawunga understand lezi structures zo3 lezi idalwa nje zo3 o-admin ama-Turanesium nama offsprings yonke ke isummary yakwaTara uzobe usunayo idea ukuthi kwenzakalani. Uyabona? Okay, lento ye-interbreeding, it was necessary. It had to happen as means to purify their genes. Cishe nje ubuzozwa la ku-Ceres nala ku-Ioartauranids ukuthi baphume ngaleyo nhloso ukuthi kwalalwa nabantu bakubo ngenhloso yokuklina ulibofuzo. Uyabona? Lento ulibofuzo ngihlezi ngiyichaza ukuthi umuntu oclean ngokolibofuzo nangokwe-energy uyakhona ukwelapha umuntu ongcolile ngokolibofuzo nangokwe-energy. Kanjalo futhi vice versa. Umuntu ongcolile ngokolibofuzo nangokwe-energy uyakhona ukungcolisa umuntu oclean ngokolibofuzo nangokwe-energy. In this case, it's all about ukuzazi komuntu. For an example, nakho nje mina nginolibofuzo ne-energy clean and I'm conscious. Ngilala nomuntu onolibofuzo olungcolile ne-energy engcolile. Ngoba mina I'm conscious ngizomklina lo muntu lo. But manje kuthiwa ke naye energy clean nginayo nolibofuzo lu clean but angikho conscious. Ngizolala nomuntu onolibofuzo olungcolile ne-energy engcolile. Yena uzongcolisa mina. Isex is sacred ingcwele bafethu. Isex, it's not just ubumnandi of the walls of the vagina and that friction and that lokho kushisa, the climax, no keep, yabona. It's not just that. It's an energy exchange. That's what sexuality is. It's an energy exchange, basically. I'm giving you mine, you're giving me yours. Yabona? For procreation purposes. But anyway, asiqhubeke. Right, ke sesiphumile kuma structures. Kuma-characters wale drama yakwaTara, right? Bengifuna ukuthi uqala ukunderstand lokho. It was very important for lokho esengizokusho manje, right? Now, let us take all these 3 structures of Tara's drama. Chuthi thatha yonke lento sungizwe ngisho lama structures awu3. Thatha yonke leyo nto ungilandele siye kwi-timeline yakwaTara just after kuqeda ukuqhuma iplanet. Chuthi ngisho ukuthi thatha lonke lolu lwazi yonke lento esengitshele yona about these 3 structures and these 3 characters. Ungilandele siye on a specific timeline yakwaTara. Which timeline is that? Just after the implosion of the planet Tara. Maqeda ukuqhuma iplanet, that is our timeline. Yabona? Nalolu lwazi sipakileke lapha. Right? Actually, this plan khona iplan eyayibizwa ngokuthi iPaladorian. Yabona? Iyo ke lengifuna ukuyichaza njengamanje ngoba la kwasekukhulunywa ngokuthi ke asambe siyolanda lezi idalwa lezi seyilahlekile. Yabona? So, leli plan leli was created as a precaution. Uyazi ukuthi vele siyazi ukuthi into ekuthiwa i-precaution into ekuthiwa hayi ngiyenza nje angithembi kahle. For an example, ake sithi nakhu uyaphuma emsebenzini ekseni. Athi uma wakho noma mhlawumbe uye esikoleni. Noma mhlawumbe uyaphika nje. Athi uma wakho noma umuntu wakini noma intombi yakho noma umkakho athi hey baby uyabona kodwa ukuthi weather enjani, thatha i-umbrella. Uthi wena hayi baby mangilibuka ngathi lizobalela. Athi yena as a precaution kushuthi wenzela ukuthi mayingenzekile into onethemba lokuthi izokwenzeka nakho kuzokusiza. Excuse me. Uyabona? So ibizwa nge-precaution ke into kanjalo ebhekelela isimo ukuthi should isimo senzeke otherwise ibe khona le precaution ukuze ingenelele ikwazi ukusiza. Right? So leli plan leli lokuthi kuyolandwa idalwa lezi ezilahlekile ngokuqhuma kweplanet yakwaTara kwakuyi-precaution. Shukuthi precaution into okwazi usuke usuyipopolile ingozi. Bese uyacabanga ukuthi angenze kanje should things go this way. Angenze kanje should things go. Usuke usuyibona eqala ingozi. I-precaution. Pre means before. uyabona. So kuthiwa ke leli plan lokuyolanda lezi idalwa, it was created as a precaution, which means iplani elakhandwa ingakaqhumi nokuqhuma iplanethi. But kukhona idalwa lezi ama-Lumians no-Ceres bayibona yonke lento yenziwa ama-fallen angels ukuthi yazi lento ezosilimaza sonke, yazi izoqhuma le planet, kuzokwenzakala ukuthi nokuthi nokuthi nokuthi. Base beqhamuka naleli plan labo ke le precaution lokuthi uma ike yaqhuma le planet kuyomele sibe necebo lokuthi zilandwa kanjani ke lezo idalwa eziyolahleka mzukwane eqhuma, ngoba base beyibona ithi yona izoqhuma ngesimanga sezenzo zama-fallen angels. Base belikhanda ke leli plan leli. Uyabona. This plan was created as a precaution by members of the Paladorians, who saw what could happen as a result of the fallen entities misusing the planetary energies. Ama-members of ama-Paladorians yiwo wonke ama-guardian angelics lawa ahlangana abona lobu bungozi obungahle benzeke base beqhamuka naleli plan esithi liyi-precaution. Yibo abaqhamuka naleli plan, uyabona, ngoba base bebonile ukuthi yazi lama-fallen entities jobenza yonke lento nakho kuzokwenzeka, nakho kuzokwenzeka, nakho kuzokwenzeka. So mangabe sekufika isikhathi sokuthi iplanet ngempela iqhume noma icontinent leyo ne-morphogenetic field yeplanet iqhume, immediately this plan was applied ngoba lalihlelwe kudala vele kwase kwazeka ukuthi ngahle iqhume iplanet. So yathi mayisiqhuma immediately akuthathanga isikhathi esingakanani la implementwa leli plan, uyabona. Sibiza nge-rescue mission of the Paladorians, right? The plan was to rescue the souls of Tara, who will be lost in other dimensions due to the implosion. Leli plan leli kwakuwukuthi ke kuyohlengwa idalwa zakwaTara eziyolahleka zidukele kuma-dimensions ngenxa yokuqhuma kweplanet, uyabona. This plan was put together by the Ceres offspring race on behalf of the Paladorian Union. Kusho ukuthi ke leli plan leli lahlanganiswa by i-race le esithi uCeres, le eyaphuma kwamu continent ngesimanga sokuthi kulale o-admin nama-Lumerians, kwase kuphuma i-Ceres. Yibona ke bahlanganisa leli plan lapha, uyabona. Ngemvume noma ngokuhlangana nama-Paladorians, isigungu lesesikhulu, i-Paladorian Union, uyabona. So i-Paladorian Union yona ke it was a group of races all responsible for the rescue mission, which means zonke lezi idalwa ezahlangana zayibona lenkinga yayizokwenzakala, zase ziza nale precaution ukuthi hayi mayingake yenzeke lonto siyokwenza kanje kanje kanje. Zonke lezo idalwa lezo zafoma isigungu sibizwa ngokuthi i-Paladorian Union, uyabona ke. So kule Paladorian Union ne-Ceres is part of leyo group leyo. Iyona ke esithenjiwe ukuthi hayi ngoba nina nisebancane nisezingane emzimbeni iyashesha njalo njalo, anilikhande leli plan, sifuna kwenzeka into kanje 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 kanje. Likhandeni ke nina lihlanganiseni nangempela abalihlanganisa lelo plan, uyabona. Kodwa akusibona ababezole executor, uyiwa Tyrannate wayezo executor lelo plan. Wena wabona iscript ne-actor, kusho khona wabhala iscript kwase kuba khona os-actayo, kusho uCeres wabhala iscript ngokuvunyelwa ama-Paladorians, kwase kuthi uyiwa Tyrannate was-actor lesi script naye ngokuvunyelwa i-Paladorian, ngoba naye uyiwa Tyrannate wayekhona as part of the Paladorians, uyabona. Siqhubeke ke. So right ke usuyazi ukuthi ama-Paladorians was a group of races responsible for the rescue mission, right? The Paladorians are the administrative council of the Covenant of Palador, yabona. Shuthi kahle kahle sisho ukuthi ama-Paladorians lawa lesi sigungu lesi ibona noma ibona abayi-council enkulu, yabona, eyengamele lento esithi Covenant of Phalador. I-Covenant of Phalador kahle kahle yiso lesi sivumelwano sama-Phaladorians, ngoba uyazi u-Covenant usho isivumelwano ngithi. Yiso lesi sivumelwano sama-Phaladorians, zonke lezi lengxumbevane yalama-races ehlangana ethi asikwazi ukuthi silandele lezi idalwa le. Kwase bayiformisha bayibiza ngokuthi i-Covenant of Phalador. Uyabona? So ibona-ke abengamele yonke le process yokulandwa kwalezi idalwa lezi. Yabona? Hence they are called the Administrative Council. Kusho ukuthi mangabe nje ufuna ukukhuluma about anything pertaining to ukulanda kwezidalwa zakwaThare zalahleka kwamanye ama-dimensions, khuluma nama-Phaladorians. Mangabe ufuna ukukhuluma nanoma ngabe yini ebandakanya uplanet Tara njalo njalo, ama-issues amakhulu njalo njalo, khuluma ne-Iyani Master Council. I hope kuyacaca la. Yabona? Lungileke. Now amalunga-ke wale Phaladorian, njengoba ngilibe ngisho ngithi bayingxumbevana, baningi bayisigungu, right? Amalunga okuqala were the Pleiadians. Siyalazi lelo gama cishe sihlezi silizwa kakhulu. They were the Pleiadians. Yilo amalunga okuqala. Amalunga esibili iMaharaji race line. Suzwile futhi ngayo. Amalunga esithathu Yoratharanites. Amalunga esi-4 Lyrans. Amalunga esi-5 Elohim. Amalunga esi-6 Ceres. Amalunga esi-7 the Lumians. Amalunga esi-8 the Covenant of Phalador. Amalunga esi-9 the Alanians. Wonke lama races together they were called the Phaladorians. Ibona laba babekhathazekile ngokuthi kulandwe lezi idalwa lezi ezizolahleka uma ngakahle kuqhuma iplanet. Ibona baqhamuka nale precaution le, right? So since the plan was put together by the Ceres, right? Then the Yoratharanites were then responsible for executing it. Bese ngichazile lokho ukuthi uCeres uyena owadivisa leli plan, uYoratharanites uyena obezoli-execute, right? We will remember that the Yoratharanites were very skilled with portal mechanics. Ngachazela lokho ukuthi Yoratharanites, they were very good ngakulento your time traveling and portal mechanics, lezi zinto zama-stargates and portals and whatnot. Hence, kumele kube yibona-ke ababa responsible for executing this plan. Yabona? Right? So, isamari nje yama-Phaladorians, isamari nje ye-agenda yabo isiyonke nansi. A summary of their plan in quantum mechanics is that they would create certain portals, right? Inhloso yabo enkulu kwakuwukuthi noma isummary yeplan labo babezokhanda ama-portals athile, right? Bewabeke at the center ye-blueprint ka-Earth. U-Earth une-blueprint, i-morphogenetic field. I-blueprint siyazi ukuthi yini. Sengichaze kakhulu ukuthi yini i-blueprint. I-blueprint la khona zonke izinto ezivela khona, umsuka wazo zonke izinto. Nawe nje umuntu ne-personal morphogenetic blueprint, ne-planet na ine-planetary morphogenetic blueprint, nenkanyezi, nespoon, nenkomo, namanzi, everything has got a morphogenetic encryption of God, of source, the creator, right? So kwi-morphogenetic blueprint yale planet esikuyo, right? Kwakhandwa lawo ma-portals lawo, right? So i-summary futhi sengiphinda nje, i-summary yeplan lama-Phaladorians, right? Babethembe ukuthi bazokhanda lama-portals bawabeke at the center of i-blueprint, uyabona, ye-planet. Mase bewabekile lapho lama-portals ayoba esedlala indima yokuba ngama-teleportation stations. As no you'll understand. Now understand igama elithi teleport. To teleport is to move from one location to another. Ngaphandle kokuhamba ngeenyawo uzuthi hey ngiyakhona ke manje. Wena wabona imovie le uDoctor Strange. Uvele nje uvula iportal, ivuleka iportal angene umuntu usephumele eNew York. Uyabona? So lama portals ayedlala lo ndima ke. Uyabona? So these portals will serve as teleportation stations for beings between Earth and Tara. Kusho ukuthi idalwa ezikwa-Tara nezikwa-Earth. Ezikwa-Earth sengakhona ukusuka kwa-Earth ziye kwa-Tara, nezikwa-Tara sengakhona ukusuka kwa-Tara ziye kwa-Earth. Ngenxa yalama teleport stations lawa afakwe kwi-blueprint ka-Earth. Kusho ukuthi zathi lezi idalwa ama-Paladorians siyafuna ukulanda lezi idalwa but sizokwenza kanjani? Kusho asikhanda ama-portals. I-portal ezosuka la esikhona iye la esifuna ukulanda khona idalwa. That is how they devised. Ithemba labo elikhulu kwakuyilelo ukuthi babezoyenza nge-portal mechanics lento. Beye kwi-past, beye nakwi-future. You know? Intertime. Without any restrictions. Right? So kwakuyilelo ithemba elikhulu necebo lama-Paladorians. Right? So, sithi-ke, through those portals, ngalawo ma-portals lawo, a certain type of beings will emerge on Earth, and the lost souls of Tara would attach themselves in their consciousness until it is time to ascend. Right? Sisho ukuthi lana-ke ngalawo ma-portals kukhona inhlobo yezidalwa ethile ekumele izalwe noma iphume ivele kulawo ma-portals lawo. Okuwukuthi lolo hlobo lwezidalwa lezo idalwa lezi zakwa-Tara ilahlekile ziyokhona ukuthi zincikise o-consciousness bazo kulezi idalwa nemizimba yakhona. Ba-evolve to a position whereby they go back to kwa-Tara. Mase beqedile i-evolution cycle yabo. Isidalwa lesi bekunyamathelwe kuso sisale siqhubeka ne-ascension. But sesiphethe i-energy encryption yalesi sidalwa esingasekho. That means sebe-related somehow. Nalo mesenyuke siya kwa-Tara uzofika amfice lo bekade namathele kwi-consciousness yakho. That's the beauty of it, right? So lezo idalwa-ke sithi zizovela ukuze ama-lost souls ekwazi ukunamathela ancike kuzo. Nazi-ke. The first types of beings were called the cloister races. Noma ungathi cloister mawuthanda. Cloister races. Yizo-ke lezi idalwa lezi ekuthiwa ngazo lezi idalwa zakwa-Tara ezalahleka izokhona ukunyuka ibuyele kwa-Tara. Zibizwa ngama-cloister. Ama-cloister races lawa is a group of 5 races. Kushuthi bebonke babizwa nge-cloister race but bahlukene into 5 groups. Right? No, it's one group with 5 races. One race, second race, third race, fourth race, fifth race. Together they are the cloister races. Right? I-race yokuqala yayibizwa ngokuthi it's the Yoa-Antrians. Bakhumbula u-Yoa-Tyrannates. La sekuyi-Yoa-Antrians. I-cloister race yokuqala. Cloister race number 2, Brunio cloister race. Cloister race number 3, Hibiru, Hibiru, Hibiru cloister race. Cloister race 4, Melchizedek. Cloister race 5, uYunaseti. Ake sithi ugxila-ke, right? Angithi lana sekucanwa lama 12 tribes. Angithi sithe u12 tribes ubetholakala kuyi-1 person oyi-Turanisium. Kwabonakala ukuthi ngenxa yama-fallen angels lokho ku-dangerous. So umuntu nomuntu akuncishiswe inamba yama-DNA strands asezowaphatha emzimbeni wakhe. Ba-separatewa into 12 tribes. Yabona? So yiyo-ke i-separation of the 12 tribes le. Right, Dick? So sithi i-cloister race yokuqala uYoa-Antrians. Right? Yena wayezozala u-root race number 3. U-root race number 3 ahlanganise u-DNA strand number 2. Bese sithi u-cloister race number 2 okuBrunio yena wayezozala u-root race number 4. U-root race number 4 ahlanganise u-DNA strand number 3. Bese sithi uHibiru cloister race yena wayezozala u-root race number 5. U-root race number 5 ahlanganise u-DNA strand number 4. Size ku-Melchizedek cloister race. Yena wayezozala u-root race number 6. U-root race number 6 ahlanganise u-DNA strand number 5. Bese siza kuyogcina sithi uYunaseti. uYunaseti yena wayezozala i-root race number 7. U-root race number 7 ahlanganise u-DNA strand number 6. Ebese-ke kuhlangana the full complete 12 DNA strands. O cloister races bona. bazalwa no DNA strand number 1 up to 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Kushuthi uCloisterase uno DNA strand number 1. Kushoda uDNA strand number 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Bese kuzoba khona uDNA strand number 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Shukuthi sisho ukuthi ama-cloisteraces bano DNA strand 7 to 12 plus uDNA strand number 1. Bese kuba khona lesi space sika 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 esikhona in between. Shukuthi kwayena uCloisterase akakhona ukuba yi-12 stranded avatar ngoba udinga ukuthi alethe izingane zakhe okungama root races. Lezo ngane zakhe yize izohlanganisa leli bridge elishodayo, leli bridge lika DNA strand number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I hope it makes sense because kumele uyibambe la. Mayike yakuluza la kuyaphambili uzobusudideka. Sithi njoba seqhamuke wonke lama races nje kwakhandwa isifie ama-Palladorians nani. Athi ama-Palladorians asingabe sisamnika umuntu u-12 strand uphelele emzimbeni, asibacane. I-tribe ne-tribe izoba responsible for uku-assemblisha i-DNA strand ethile. Ilokhungana i-race ezozalwa after izofica i-strand esithile sesihlangene ngoba besihlanganiswe ile race edlule kuze kufinyelele ku-12 futhi. Uyabona? It's a slow process towards ascension. If we take 2 root races who went to assemble DNA strand number 1 at dimension 8 Gaia, together with 5 cloisteraces and 5 root races, we get 5 cloisteraces and 7. No, sengigijima kakhulu. Angithi uyazi ukuthi ngiqhamuka sengithi root race number 3 uyena lo kumele azalwe u-UR nutrients, and root race number 3 uzelela ukuzohlanganisa strand number 2. Usuzothi umuzo wakho strand number 1 uhlanganiswe kanjani. Sengithi ke mina ke ama-cloisterace yafana nokuthi they were energy beings, they were very unlimited, right? They were a group of 5. Ngabalili u-UR nutrients, uBrunyowa, uHibiru, Melchizedek no Unacity. Shuthi bayihlukanisa into 2.5. 2.5. U-half odwa weza ngapha, u-half odwa weza ngapha. Banyuka benjalo. Baya kwaGaia kwa dimension 8. La zonke izinto zavela khona. Babuyela ekhaya, wena wabona ingane yako komalume, ingane futhi esuke iwumlandwane ekhaya, ibuyela komalume ngoba yila zonke inhlahla zayo zikhona khona komalume. Yabona? Especially umama mengashadanga. So ama-cloisterace understand ukuthi okay, u-DNA strand number 7 to 12 isinayo. And sizodinga the first DNA strand. And akukho up to the root races kukuthina njengama-cloisterace. So asambeke siyoyilanda le DNA strand eshodayo. Shukuthi njoba bayicana bazenza nje u-2.5 kanje. Shukuthi u-2.5 owodwa was responsible for assembling u-5. No 2.5 owodwa was responsible for assembling u-5. Kahlahle sithi u-half. Yabona? One cloisterace was responsible for u-half we-DNA strand eyodwa. One cloisterace was responsible for omunye u-half we-DNA strand eyodwa. Mase uhlanganisa lo half nalo half uthi cha uphuma 1 DNA strand. Base beyabuya from kwaGaia komalume dimension 8 babuya bese beza la. Sebezophila ke sekukhona u1 DNA strand. Ngalesikhathi beyicanileke into 2.5 babeyibiza ngama root races. Mabebuyela baba ama-cloisteraces, mabehlukana baba ama-root races. So kusho ukuthi already u-root race number 1 sesinayo. Babebizwa ngama-hyperbonians nangama-polarians. Kusho ukuthi u-root race number 1 were called the polarians. Root race number 2 was called the hyperbonians. Together they assembled to DNA strand number 1. base beyabuya. Cool. The intricacies. So sengithi ke mina ke if we take two root races laba abanyuka baya kwa dimension 8 kwa Gaia ngenhloso yokuhlanganisa le DNA strand eyodwa. Right? Simhlanganisa nalama cloister race awu5 plus simhlanganisa nalama root races ashodayo futhi awu5 asazovela. Siyaye lapho sithole ama cloister races awu5 plus ama root races awu7 bese kuphuma the entire 12 tribes. Yabo. I really hope engathi ungayizwa le ngisho njengamanje. There were two root races abaqala lento yokuassemblisha ama strands. Lawo ma root races were formulated by division yama cloister races but mabe divideka hayi ngesibi this time. We know division ihlezi iqhamuka nama fallen angels but kulokhu kwakuyinhloso enkulu kwakuwukuthi kuhlanganiswe the first DNA strand. So bahlukana phakathi. Beyama cloister races bahlukana phakathi but mabehlukana baba root race 1 Polarians and root race 2 Hyperboreans. But bathi mase bebuya futhi no DNA strand owodwa usuphelele babuyela back into being the cloister races but they still exist as the root races. So mase sibala bona bowu2 qala as the root races. Sizobala lo cloister race lo owes5 ekade simbala uYoa Antrens uBruniowa uHibir uMelchizedek noUnasith. Bese sibala lo munye u5 wama root races oselo ongaka manifest. Futhi sisho ukuthi kuna 5 root races plus loya 2 wama root races, that's 7 root races plus the 5 cloister races, that's 12 complete tribes. Oh man, I hope ukuthi uyizwile wayigraspa kahle ukuthi hey kubalekile ku critical because if I move forward and azange uyibambe la ayingeke usakhona ukuyibamba. Bonke labantu ubabona becanwa kucanwani ulibofuzo lweTuranisium ngoba bonke bebephelele bewu12 ulibofuzo lolodwa seliyacanwa ke manje kuthiwa oyedwa uzobamba istrand esodwa oyedwa uzobamba istrand esodwa nizosizana ukuthi nisihlanganise nizodingana for ascension purposes akekho uzothi umkhulu kunomunye yena uspecial nomunye njengoba ungizwa ke nami ngihlezi ngikhuluma ngendaba yabelungu kulama portals engiwashoyo banasi isifie sabo. It was predicted. So what? Bavela ngoYakub. They have a blueprint leyo and they are part of God and they are part of us. Ukuthi nginqenile ukuveza ama skins wabo lana ngoba besenzothatha ngigcwele kakhulu lapha. Cause bakhona o white skin, o brown skin, o black skin, o yellow skin, no red skin. Kuwo lama cloister race. But if ungabalile besenzogcwele kakhulu lapho ke. Uyabona? But they are part of us abelungu. We need each other sonke as the human family, not the tribes. It's all of us, no matter the tribalism, it's all of us against the elites. So if when usazothi mina ngizwana neBrazilian, hayi eMozambique, hayi eZimbabwe, eNigeria, nani hayi umlungu hayi laba basicolonize laba. Uyivimbela wena neprogress yakho. Uvimbela nengane zakho and the other future generations. We need to unite in order to win. Lempi inkulu kakhulu than lathi nesifake khona amehlo. Kumele sithi ukwanyusa kancane amehlo sithi uyibuka ngeso lenyoni. Yona endizela phezulu ekwazi ukubonela izinto ngeso eliphezulu. Uyabona? Right. So iyo division yale 12 tribe le. Yale one DNA strand of the Turanisium race. Iyo division yakhona, yi science ye division yakhona yonke leyo. Right. So this means ukuthi each Earth tribe is still part of Tara's 12 strand Turanisium human. Ayithu nokuzwa nathi lana kule reality sesikuyo kunokukhulunywa kakhulu ngama 12 tribes especially eBhayibhelini. Mhlawumbe uyawucabanga ngoIsrael. Now you are part of that 12 tribe. Abekho abantu abaspecial. Kusho ukuthi kulama tribes walakwa ethesilezi sizwa ngawo nje. Each and every tribe is part of le tribe yaka Turanisium. Wena you are a Turanisium. Yabona? So akukho ukuthi ni separated. Ngoba sonke le story sakwaTara cishe usungilandele lesi story ususilandele long enough nami ukunderstand ukuthi yonke lento njalo engikhuluma ngayo yakwaTara ikhuluma ngathi ithinta thina, because thina we are here because Tara was there. Akukhulunywa ngezinye idalwa who are very far from i-future yethu. Cha, kukhulunywa ngathi impela, yabona? Yeah. So asiqhubeke, right? So kulokhu ke ukuthi ama-Paladorians aqhamuke neplan lokuthi behambe beyokhulula lezi ayidalwa leziyana. Kwakuhambe creator ama-segments emhlaba, in such that there was the first world, there was the second world, there was the third world, and there is now the fourth world. And thina we are part of the fourth world. Ngike ngichazeleke ke lemhlaba ukuthi ihlukaniseka kanjani. The first world ila khona ikwaTara kahle kahle, kwi first world. La kwakuphila khona the Turanesium humans of Tara before bebe infiltrated, before kungenelela ama fallen angels. Kwakumhlaba wokuqala lo. Ngoba thina nje ubususibona sesize sikhandwa kucanwa lo 12 DNA strands, kukhandwa lama 12 tribes ezotshalwa la kwa Earth. Sekuyi second experiment ye Turanesium. I-first experiment was le engisho yama Turanesium before kungenelela ama fallen angels. Mase kuhlanganiswa Paladorians sekukhandwa leli cebo lokuthi kuyotshalwa idalwa futhi zihlukaniswe into the 12 tribes. U-experiment number 2 lowo of the Turanesium. Yabona? So besalapha kwaTara, that was the noma sisase kwaTara. Kwakuyi first experiment. Right? And it created the first world. Right? Bese siba ke ne second world. The second world came after the implosion of Tara. Right? And sibiza nge-rescue mission number 1. Shuthi after the implosion of uTara, kwabese wonke okuwusizo okuzokwenziwa after that, it will be done under the basis of this being a second world. Right? So kwase kuqalwa lezi zinto zama-Paladorians zo rescue mission ukuthi kukhululwe idalwa. Right? So asibuke i-second world ngoba i-first world say understand. Asibuke i-second world after ke sekhumile uTara. Right? This was after the creation of the portals linking Earth to Tara. Remember? The sphere of Amentai and the halls of Amentai. Kusho ukuthi ke after esekhumile uTara nakhe yala ama-Paladorians nama-Ceres no Yoa Antrans benza izivumelwano ukuthi bazohamba beyolanda thina, or the lost souls of Tara. Right? Kwase kuthiwa bazokhanda ama-portals, right? Lawo ma-portals lawo will be linking u-Earth no Tara, right? So i-portal enkulu was called the sphere of Amentai. Lama portals awu 5 lawa wama-Cloister races were called the halls of Amentai. Kusho ukuthi the halls of Amentai lawa awu 5 were in between the larger sphere called the sphere of Amentai. Konke lokho kufakwe kuphi? Kwi-blueprint ka planet Earth. Right? So lokho esithi ke it's the halls of Amentai. It was the 5 spheres or portals within the huge sphere of Amentai. Bese ngichazile kodwa lokho. They were serving as the blueprints for the manifestation of the 5 Cloister races, and the 5 Cloister race would be the 4 creators of the 5 root races. Sithi ke nakho balikhanda iplan lokuthi bazolanda leyidalwa baseparate ne-Turanesium bayenze into 12 tribes. Kodwa specifically kune 5 Cloister races okuyiyona ebaluleke kakhulu in between the entire tribes. Enamandla futhi ethe ukuba advanced kanconywana, because yona i-matter form yakhona is etheric rather than being physical. So they are a little bit more advanced. Right? The 5 Cloister races. Sithi ke ama-Cloister races ayifana nokuthi ayi-blueprint for ama-root races. Asiqale la kwi-sphere esikhulu. It's the sphere of Amentai. Right? Size kuma-spheres amancane awu 5. Right? Sithi wona they are the halls of Amentai. Sithi ke the halls of Amentai are the morphogenetic blueprints for the 5 Cloister races. Noma nje angiqale phansi ngithi the 5 spheres of the halls of Amentai found between noma inside the sphere of Amentai are serving as the blueprint for the 5 cloistered races. And the 5 cloistered races are serving as the blueprints for the root races. Kusho ukuthi the cloister races azovela from the halls of Amentai. Uyabona? And then the root races azovela from the cloistered races. Uyabona mangikhuluma le ndaba ka sphere of Amentai and the halls of Amentai nanokuthi bafakwa laphana ngaphansi kulokhungana kwi blueprint ye planet. Khumbula phela le yankulumo yami engike ngayisho, I think it's episode 3 or 4, ukuthi ngithi zivela olwandle. Ngoba zonke lezi zinto mayitshalwa lapha nolwandle, yonke le mechanics engikhuluma ngayo lama spheres mayitshalwa lapha olwandle. Mase kumele bamemfuka abantu, ucanga ukuthi wena i-first geographical location abangamemfuka kuyikuphi. Ake sisebenzise logic. Isphere lesi, lama spheres zonke, halls of Amentai and the sphere of Amentai, kutshalwe le majukujukwini eplanet. Cabanga ke abantu bakhona bese bezoqatha ke ezulwini, kodwa betshalwe le phansi. Ungeza kanjani ukuthi imbewu uyitshala emhlabathini bese ifruit liza phezulu? The only common sense and logic is that we come from the sea. Because the sea, we can say it's closely connected to these portals. Ngaze ngachaza ngathi these portals are kind of like izitho zangasese as a planet. It's portals. Don't even think of a vagina. Think of a portal because kwayona vagina. It's a portal. The cloistered races were considered the blueprint for the 12 tribes of Earth, since all races come from them. Sithi ke ama cloister races bese ngishilo futhi nalokho. Ama cloister races ke 5 enjalo, they are considered as the blueprint ngoba kufana uthonke ama 12 tribes avela khona from the cloister races. Now ama cloister races lawo eyiyo vele ingxenye yawo ama 12 tribes. Yabona? So zama ukuthi without the cloister races there wouldn't be any 12 tribes at all. Yabona? They were also called the Paladorians because their manifestation was a fulfillment of the Paladorian Union. Sayikhumbula iPaladorian Union? Nokuthi yahlangana kanjani? Kuthiwa ke ukuvela kwama cloister races la emhlabeni, it was the manifestation of lesi sivumelwano esenziwa ama Paladorians bethi bazofuna ukulanda idalwa lezi izolahleka during the implosion of the planet. So ukuvela kwama 5 cloister races kwanikeza ithemba ukuthi okay, icebo lethu hayi no. Engathi lizosebenza, yabona? Ama cloister races ke lawa they had both genders and energies in one body. Lento ekuthiwa hermaphrodite. Kwangesikho ukuthi owesilisa lo wesifazane, kwakuyisiqu umuntu oyedwa nje who possessed both sexes and both energies, a feminine energy and a masculine energy. The cloister races. Yabo, hence it's why bengithi ke they were more advanced. They had different etheric bodies than our physical bodies, but as time progressed, they accumulated enough matter to have physical bodies, which means initially they were etheric in nature, babengakhona ukubonakala until ngokuprogressa kwesikhathi ke they were then able ukuthi to accrete matter baze bagcine beyabantu ababa physical, but still nakhona kulobo physical babo wawubona ukuthi no man khona kushodayo. They were not fully physical. Yabona? So ke ngokuhamba kwesikhathi they populated the earth for many generations, and the lost souls of Tara were able to ascend through them. Shuthi yafezeka ke lenhloso yama Paladorians ngoba khona idalwe zakhona ukuthi zenyuke ngo consciousness nemzimba yama cloister races. Yabona? Those who could not ascend to Tara would return to the sphere of Amentai to wait for the next incarnation to incarnate as a root race member. Kuthiwa lezi idalwa ke ezayilahlekile njoba kwasekukhandwe yonke le mission ngesimanga sokuthi zikwazi ukunyukela kwaTara, lezo ezayihluleka uku-ascenda zayibuyela back to the sphere of Amentai ziyolinda for the next incarnation. Uyabona? Njoba ilinda that next incarnation seyilinda ukuthi ke seziyozalwa as the root races. Ake ngenza umzekelo, ake sithi nakho wena you were lost soul of Tara, wahluleka uku-ascenda whereby uzosebenzisa umzimba we cloister race, uzobuyela back to the sphere of Amentai uyolinda i-incarnation elandelayo, but mase u-incarnate uzobe usunga-incarnate as a root, not as a cloister race, uzobe usu-incarnate as a root race member, because ama-root races are physical, abantu abathi abafani nathi. Bese kuthi ama-cloister races iy'dalwa okuwukuthi matter density yakhona is etheric in nature or semi-etheric. There are no remains of this race on earth as they left no remains. Yabona? Kusho ukuthi ayikho into esingatrace ngayo ama-remains nje ama-cloister races. As much as this happened like 25 million years ago, they left nothing. Akho lutho ngisho ama-archaeologists ngeke athole lutho esingathi sithi sizama ukugubha khona siprove ukuthi bake baphila la emhlabeni. It's like bathatha yonke i-existence yabo baya nayo onto the antiparticle universe, but asifunde khona uzothola. They migrated to the antiparticle universe to continue their evolution. Earth was again depopulated. Futhi emva kwaleso sikhathi eside bephilile, building civilizations, bephila as the etheric beings, semi-etheric beings, and kwa-ascend idalwe iningi. Kwathi mase kushaya isikhathi, the pulsation vibrates of the planet was not able to accommodate their energy vibrations anymore. So they had to move, because they were semi-etheric, they had to move to a parallel earth. Yabona? U-antiparticle is parallel earth. Kulaba banokuzwa kule concept ye-parallel earth, parallel duality, ukuthi khona wena njengoba ubonakala bese kuba khona wena lo ongenamzimba kodwa uyaphila. Nale planet ino parallel counterpart wayo le planet u-Earth le. Yabona? Ngoba siphila sikwazi ukubonana nje. Khona enye planet benza the same thing esiyenzayo, same lifestyle, same whatever, same shit going on, but they are not physical. But phela bona bayakhona ukubonana bodwa. We are the ones who cannot perceive them. So there's that reality called a parallel reality. So these beings, ngenxa yokuphoqa kwama-frequencies, they had to take konke okwabo ne-existence yabo and everything they've ever stood for, ba-migrate nayo into parallel universe. La kwasala ku-depopulated, kungekho idalo futhi again. So that was the second world, yama-cloister races. Asiyeke manje kwi-third world, right? La esesikhuluma khona nge-first seeding, ukutshalwa kwey'dala kokuqala. Lokhu kwama-cloister races nje ekusase yi-first experiment yokulanda iy'dalo zakwaTara. And kwenzeka, yabo? La sekuyi-second experiment, la sekuzotshalwa khona abantu, la sekuzovela khona ama-root races manje. Sekwazi ukuvela abantu abafana nami nawe-ke manje, yabo? La sesikhuluma nge-second rescue mission. Kusase le mission njalo yokulanda iy'dalo zakwaTara, right? Sithi-ke, on the first rescue mission, the cloister appeared as etheric beings in order to allow for the lost souls to attach their consciousness, right? Sithi-ke, kule rescue mission yokuqala, iy'dalwa lezi ezayilahlekile, ezakwazi ukunamathiselisa o-consciousness bazo lezo y'dalwa to ama-cloister races, and the long story goes on and on, bakhona ukuthi ba-ascend, right? So, before manifesting la emhlabeni sesikhuluma ngama-cloister races ke. Angithi sebekwazile ukuthi bathi bashiftele to i-parallel universe. Mind you, abakayihlanganisi le mission ka-12 strands. Bebesasiza lezo y'dalwa lezo ey'ningana ukuthi ikwazi uku-ascend. Ima bezoqala leli plan ke loku-assemblisha ama-DNA strands manje. So, kwaphinda futhi wona ama-cloister race eselapho kwa-parallel ahlanganisa iplan, ngoba ukhumbula ukuthi akwa-parallel does not dispute the fact ukuthi i-morphogenetic field yabo ikhona laphana kwi-planetary core ka-Earth. And lama-spheres, lama-portals, the halls of Amentai, konke kukhandwe nge-imprint yawo ama-cloister nama-UR Terramates. Yabo? So base bethi-ke sizohlukana kabili, sekubuya lesi story sakwaGaia-ke sekuyohlanganiswa u-DNA strand number 1. Ngeke ngasixoxa leso story, angivele ngingasasiphindi bafowethu. Base decide ukuthi bahlukane into groups of 2 and a half, base beya kwa-dimension 8 bahlanganisa lo DNA strand base beyabuya. Yabona, angizokulokho ngixela lapho kakhulu, So Sithi-ke, before manifesting on earth for the first seeding, the cloister race separated into two groups of 2.5. Each became a root race member, where one group became the Polarians and the other became the Hyperbonians. Hayi, ngiyayithanda lento ngoba isho ukuthi ngiyayazi lento engisuke ngikhuluma ngayo. Ngithi sengiyifunda phansi but kusuke sekuyinto engisuke sengike ngathi ukuthi iqaphu ngomlomo yabona. Yeah, kusho ukuthi mina nenkamalanga siyazona. So umsebenzi wabo-ke, their duty was to travel back to dimension 8 Gaia, where Tara is originally from, with the purpose to assemble DNA strand number 1. Yabona? Kulungileke. Bese singena onto the fourth world, eneyokugcina-ke. Right? Lapha sesikhuluma nge-third rescue mission. Sibheka second and third seeding, which we are part of, right? So the root races were to appear in segments. The first group that appeared, noma sithi nje ama-root races wona kwangathiwanga ukuthi ngoba nakho ama-cloister race azovela wonke o-5 kanye kanye nama-root races nawo azovela wonke o-5 kanye kanye. Cha, the root races were to appear in segments, kanjengokuthi u-Euantrians azale i-root race yakhe, as uBruniowa naye azale i-root race yakhe emva kwesikhathi, as uHibiru cloister race naye azale i-race yakhe emva kwesikhathi, as uMelchizedek cloister race naye kanjalo kanjalo. Right? So sichaza lokho kwi-fourth world. So sithi-ke, the first group of root races that appeared was called the Lumerians or Lumians. Uyabona ukuthi kubuyo bani? Sebebuya la kwa-Earth? Awusukene madoda. Igroup yokuqala eyavela from the first cloister race, njengoba sithe ama-root races azozalwa ama-cloister race, nayo-ke root race yokuqala eyavela. U-third root race lo ozo-assemblisha strand number 2. Zona babizwa ngani? Kuthiwa ama-Lumians noma ama-Lumerians. Kusho ukuthi kusabuya laba bantu bakwaTara. Right? Ama-Lumians lawa avela from the Euantrians cloister race bese ngichazile, right? Bavela-ke nayike leyo lwandle. Bavela as 6 males and 6 females, brown in color, are responsible for assembling strand number 2. Shukuthi kulama portals esitha solwandle bavela kwi-portal yabo nawo yama-Euantrians. Abantu besilisa abawu-6 nabesifazane abawu-6. No Adam and Eve story. Truly they mated bandisana as a race. Right? The second group of root race eyavela nakhona emva kwesikhathi. It was not instant. Kwaqala kwavela ama-Lumians athi ukuphila nawo. Kwase uthi emva kwesikhathi-ke no-Bruniowa cloister race naye wayesevelise eyakhe-ke. Eyakhe-ke zwanake. Awuqagele nje kuqala. If sithi u-Euantrian cloister race wavelisa i-third root race, and i-third root race was called the Lumians, awuqageleke ukuthi fourth root race yona evela from uBruniowa kuzothiwa yini igama layo? Alanians. It was the Alanians, of course. These two are from Qatar, the Lumians and the Alanians. Sebevela la kwa-Earth manje. Awusukane madoda. This is like magical. Alright. The second group of root races was the Alanians from the Bruniowa cloister race. Nakhona 6 males and 6 females, red skin in color, responsible for assembling DNA strand number 3. Njengoba sengibalile. Zwana, they both evolved together on Earth, creating advanced, diversified cultures, and many lost souls of Tara successfully ascended until the electric wars. Shukuthi yonke lento ukuthi kukhandwe lezi idalo ngenhloso ukuthi ku-ascende kubuye lezinye, it was successful and biyenzeka until kuze kungenelele izimpi futhi zama-fallen angels, electric wars. Cishe seziningi izimpi esesiyibalile nawe so-understanda ngazo. Lezi izimpi seyingenelela ngoba phela kuzama ukuvinjwa lento. Le ma-fallen angels alapho nje. Athi, how much progress have you built? Oh, we are coming for it. Those are that's the rule yama-fallen angels. How far have you built? Really? We're coming for it. Without a reason, they like that. They like to destroy. Izinto eseyikhandiwe. So bangenelela-ke nakule procedure. Uma sengibuya no episode 3, hey, Kube sekushube ngempela lapho sobe sesikhuluma like sobe sesingena sesijule ku-quantum mechanics usuthola-ke izinto ey'ningi. Yabona lapho sisazothola ngama-floods, the number of floods that has happened, usazothola ngo-666 ukuthi baqhamukapho, usazothola ngezinto ey'ningi, especially istory esifana nawo ama-floods. There were a lot, especially ama-floods, ukubhubha komhlaba, yile encryption ka-666, ama-treaty enziwa, i-Anunnaki rebellion, kuningi futhi nakhona ngeke sikuqede ku-season 5, sorry ku-season 3, soze sikujumpele onto season 4, yabona. So mase ngibuya ku-season 4, those are all the things engizobe sengikhuluma ngazo, because uyeza ukuthi njengamanje ngigcine ku-electric wars, bengimele ngiqhubeke. Nanokuthi I had to make le video namhlanje ithi ukuba yinde kancane, ngiyabona ukuthi niyakhala nge-hour bafethu nithi lincane, so ngimele nginishiye nento ethe ukuthi xaxa. Ngithi ake nginodle ake nithola ukuthe ukuthi xaxa, especially since this is my last time using we after some 2 weeks or some days, some 2 weeks and some days, yabo. So the electric wars was a result of the fallen entities wanting to stop the growth of this experiment. The Lumerians and Alanians were already digressed at this point. So isingisi kastoliko, yabona. Kuthiwa-ke ama-fallen entities ayifuna ukuvimba yonke le experiment, yonke lento ukuthi kuhlengwe lezi zidalwa lezi, yabona. Base kuvela-ke le mpi lena-ke yama-electric wars. Sesobe sesichaza kahle-ke uma ngabe sesibuya no season 3 ku-episode 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yabona. I hope ukuthi nje uNkulunkulu uyoba nami ngaleso sikhathi ngikwazi ukuthi ngirekode izinto ezithe ukuthi xaxa mhlawumbe u2 hours, angazi that's too much, but I hope ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzoba nami. I hope ngizo improve ngokwe material, yonke nje material engiyangidinga ukuhlanganisela yonke lento, you know, from equipment to data to all of those things, because ngiyafisa ukuthi like nami ngiwa-extend ama-videos wami, kungabe nje just yazi usuke wanotice to 1 hour sebefila ngazathi manje nje 1 minute, you know, so I have to look into that ngizokwazi ukuthi nginike something a little bit longer, you know. So nganza kwethu cha ilokho ebengiyiphathele khona namhlanje, and with that said, singakho noma besingakho esanamuhla isiqephu nganza kwethu. Angibonge kakhulu mfowethu. Ngiyabonga nje kakhulu for being the person that you are, for supporting into engiyenzayo, for seeing the value in what I'm doing so much that all the time mangabe ngirelease something you always make sure noma athiwa uyithola notification, but mawuya ubuya uzoyicheckela ukuthi hawu hlula umthatha ka-upload, noma mawuya ubona ilink ku Facebook noma ku TikTok umuhlale, noma ngabe ku WhatsApp, noma ngabe ku nonke nje nini ngisupport abafethu. I mean ama videos wami la amadala, especially the first season, amaningi wawo asefikile ko 1k views each video onke o5 aseno 1k. Lokho kuumusa kaNkulunkulu nothando nesupport yenu bafethu, akuzenzakalela, akusi algorithm, akusi umlingo. Ngiyabonga ukuthi bafethu ningeseke, number 1. Number 2, ngiyabonga ukuthi ningeseke futhi ngoba ngongeseka kwenu niyazuza. Angifuni ukuchoma bafethu, but nizobona nani ukuthi ngokuhamba kwesikhathi there's only one knowledge. Enilolo luza no-Ashayana, lolo engilifundisayo. It's our lost history, the primal source of all knowledge. Before this knowledge is like the creation physics, ukuthi izinto zivelaphi kahle kahle. Sebengaqhamuka oKhabhala, baqhamuka oJehova, baqhamuka obani, but lolu lwazi lolu luyakwazi ukukutshela ukuthi lo Khabhala uvela la, lo Jehova uvela, like luyakhona ukuqoqa. Why? Because luwumsuka walo lonke ulwazi. Angisho ukuthi ngiyayichomisa noma ngithi abantu abayeke ama-notions wabo nezinto asebezazi, cha, that's not what I'm saying. And ngiyangihlezi ngisho ukuthi do your own proper research, and uyenze research, usebenzise ne-logic ne-discernment mawenze research. But mawuyenza kahle,
especially futhi uzojwayelana no-Ashayana understand ukuthi uthini, ufundele iy'ncwadi zakhe zo-3, i-Voyagers Volume 1, number 2, ne-Angelic Realities. Hayi mfethu, zonke iy'ncwadi, yonke into akwayifunda, all the disciplines yokuthatha ukufaka emgqonyeni. Now again ngiyaphinda, I'm not saying what or mhlawumbe ngithi ngiyayikhukhumeza or ngithi kanjani. You have the right to perform your own research, you know. So ngiyabonga nje kakhulu ngani zakwethu kungeseka kwenu. I really hope ukuthi when we return again sizoyenza futhi lento uNkulunkulu uzobe sasigcinile esasibusisile sokwazi ukuthi siphinde sihlangane siphushe lo msebenzi. Ngokwazi kwakho nje yonke lento osuyazi njengamanje, you have no idea what you've just done for yourself. You deserve to take yourself out, uyoyiphuzela i-cocktail or uyishayela iglasi kabeer, noma uyibophele igqosha lakho uyi-celebrate nje for choosing to listen to uHlula Umthakathi, because it's more than, it's beyond me, it's beyond lento engiyenzayo. It's about ama-guides wakho wanting that top-notch information. They've been kade bekuhlenga sonke lesi sikhathi bekwenza ukuthi ungalaleli abanye abantu, bekwenza ukuthi ungabe interested kwamanye ama-notions. Sekumele kuvele uHlula Umthakathi, all of a sudden your guides are interested and they're so excited to be receiving this knowledge every week. Why are you feeling this way about izinto eshiwo uHlula Umthakathi? It says a lot about you and your guides. So you have no idea what you've just done for your growth, for your spiritual growth when this knowledge is concerned. This knowledge brings freedom and peace. Izokukhulisa spiritually and physically. It will make you accumulate a whole lot of happiness. Ongayazi nanokuthi velaphi. A happiness that's there without a reason. I know it because I'm living proof of this. Mina ngiqala ukuba happy. La sengikhona, I don't wanna lie, I'm happy. But ngiqala ukuba happy ngingakazi introduce nakini bafethu, ngingakaqali nokuqala i-content nje ngisase laphana, you know. So when all of these happen, sengiqala ngiyayibona manje ukuthi wow, sengiqala ukuba excited for no reason, ngivuke nje ngisineke mfethu kungekho sizathu, you know. That is the happiness yalethwa lezi imfundiso. Before nje kube kanje na these changes. So now ngethemba you're doing yourself a whole lot of favor, a huge favor in fact, for ukulandela lezi imfundiso and being interested in them. Ngiyakuthembisa ukuthi the more we keep on doing this, we're going to grow, and now uzosizakala and uzokwazi ukuthi wazi amaqiniso ngale reality ophila kuyo, uphinde ukwazi futhi nanokuthi ushintshe ama-perspectives wabanye abantu noma usize abanye abantu nama-perspectives wabo, because the aim is not to change people but to only teach and to allow those who are in contradiction the freedom to choose what they wish to choose without us enforcing this knowledge on them. With that said, ngani zakwethu ngiyalwazi udaba. Please like, comment, subscribe and share, especially kuma-social platforms wakho. Siphinde sihlangane ngomhla ka-21 January ngani zakwethu. With that said, ningene kahle onyakeni omusha, uNkulunkulu anigcine ngaso sonke isikhathi. Siyabonga kakhulu.